Hey everyone, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. If you're looking to level up your juicing game with a machine that's efficient, quiet, and a breeze to clean, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's get started. First, let's break down what makes the Hurom H400 so special. This is a cold press masticating juicer, which means it slowly squeezes fruits and veggies to extract maximum juice while keeping nutrients intact. It has a hands-free self-feeding hopper, so you can load whole apples, carrots, or celery stalks and walk away while it does the work. The quiet motor is a huge plus, perfect for early mornings without waking the house. And the Easy Clean technology? It's a dream. No tiny strainer holes to scrub, just rinse the parts underwater and you're done in minutes. Plus, it's BPA-free, durable, and comes with a 10-year motor warranty. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The juice quality is top-notch, smooth, nutrient-packed, and less foamy than centrifugal juicers. The self-feeding hopper saves tons of prep time, and cleanup is genuinely quick, which is rare for juicers. It's also versatile, handling everything from leafy greens to nuts for milks or even vegan ice cream. And that quiet motor? You'll barely notice it's on. On the downside, it's a bit pricey, so it's an investment. It's also heavy, about 15 pounds, which might be a hassle if you're moving it often. Some softer fruits, like mushy apples, can leave more pulp in the juice, but it's not a deal breaker for most. So, who's this juicer for? If you value convenience, high-quality juice, and hate scrubbing juicer parts, the Hurom H400 is absolutely worth considering. The time you save on prep and cleanup, plus the nutrient-rich juice, makes it a fantastic choice for busy folks or juicing newbies. If you're on a tight budget or only juice occasionally, you might look at cheaper options, but for regular juicers, this one's a winner. Alright, here's the deal. If you're ready to grab the Hurom H400, head to the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. It's the easiest way to support the channel while snagging a great deal. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest kitchen gadgets. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.